Hello ladies and gentlemen, today you are going to learn about WordPress website design and how we can design the website using this WordPress platform. Before that, I would like to explain you a little bit about the WordPress. WordPress is an open source content management system that makes it easy to create and manage a website. This means that this platform is open to all, where you can create a website easily and in a much more effective manner. Secondly, this is the most popular CMS in the world, content management system in the world. The millions of business owners, bloggers and the publishers use the WordPress every day today to maintain their online presence. Like for an example, the www.whitehouse.gov, so America's website. This White House website it's been designed in the WordPress. I'll show you that how it looks. So you can see this is the whitehouse.gov. The website is there, and this website is designed in the wordpress.com. So you can see such a nice website has been designed. However, people say that WordPress is not very foolproof or not very reliable. So basically, I would like to tell you that if government of America is making their own website and in this platform, so you can understand the authenticity of this platform and how foolproof this platform is. So you can design your website using the WordPress platform. Now, just now you have seen this White House website has been designed in the WordPress. Similarly, the Microsoft has also designed their WordPress their website in the WordPress platform. So you can understand that how reliable this WordPress platform is. So now we will understand now what is different with the WordPress.org and the .com. Guys, a lot of people get confused in the WordPress.com and the .org. So these are the two different platforms. WordPress.org is a free platform, you don't have to pay anything, whereas WordPress.com is a paid platform where you have to pay money. Now I'll explain you what is difference between WordPress.org. So first we'll understand what is WordPress.org. WordPress.org is the real name is the real WordPress, and is the popular website platform that you have heard all the great things about. Now it's open source and 100% free. As I mentioned, that's 100% free for anyone. So all you need to is a domain and a web hosting. So in this WordPress.org, you need to have the domain and the web hosting. Then you will be able to create your website using this WordPress.org. This is why it is also referred to as the self-hosted WordPress. So WordPress.org you can is also known as a self-hosted WordPress. Now another is the WordPress.com. So what is WordPress.com? WordPress.com basically is a paid platform. You have to pay money for that. Why you have to pay money for over here in WordPress.com? Because you don't have to buy any hosting, or you don't have to buy any domain from the outside. This is a complete all-in-one website building solution with no hosting needed, domain optional, free, and the paid plans available. So you don't have to worry about any type of technical knowledge in the WordPress.com. However, in WordPress.org, you have to have a little bit of technical knowledge in terms of designing the website, which I am going to explain you today, that how you can create a website using the WordPress.org. Whereas in the WordPress.com, it will be little expensive for you, because the charges per month on the WordPress.com is quite higher as compared to WordPress.org. So you can go online, you can check on the WordPress.com. Every month you have to pay certain 300, 400, 500 rupees depending on the different plans on the WordPress.com. Whereas you will get also a limited option in the WordPress.com. Whereas in WordPress.org you get the number of options, okay, and the n number of things you can do in the WordPress.org. So it's suggested always you go for the WordPress.org. So now, today I'm going to explain you about the WordPress.org, and also going to explain you that how you can create a website using the WordPress.org. So now, here the WordPress.org is going to help us creating the website. So now in this, I'm going to explain you the free way of creating the WordPress website in the WordPress.org, and how to install the WordPress in the hosting server, and these are the hosting servers and the free hosting service provider I'm going to explain here, and also I'm going to guide you how you can get the free hosting and the free domain both. Apart from that, there are the paid hosting also and the paid domain as well. So I'll explain you the pros and cons of the free hosting and the paid hosting. So these are the platforms which will help you in creating the free website using wordpress.org. Secondly, these are the website like www.namecheap.com and www.bluehost.com. So these are the two websites you can go for the paid hosting, whereas in the free hosting it is webhost.com and infinityfree.net. So these are the two platforms we are going to use in the free hosting. So in the next session, I'm going to explain you about how to create a website using webhost and the infinity.net, and I'll give you a practical experience, and I'll teach you how to create the WordPress website using this free platform, and I'll also guide you about little paid platform as well. However, I'm not going to teach you much about the paid platform. Okay, that is any which ways this basically a tutorial I wanted to make, because I want whomsoever who can't afford the WordPress, who can't afford the hosting and the domain. Okay, you can't afford that any of these two. Then for them, my next video will be very helpful. However, I'll also going to explain you about the paid hosting, how you can create a website using the paid hosting. If you want to learn that, so you can learn that as well. So in the next session, we are going to learn about the WordPress website creation. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next session.